Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from ExperimentalHomesteader.com, and before I begin, we did receive this item for free or at a reduced price for honest opinions. All opinions are our own. And what I have here tonight, these are faucet connectors. These are from Aquafaucet. Let me get rid of that. These are 24-inch long faucet connector in braided stainless steel. These are for a one-hole faucet, and these are special connectors. It's a different style than what I'm used to. I'm used to having connectors at both ends that just crank on. These, you actually have to take the faucet and twist these in and tighten them down. They're a little bit tricky. This one just does not want to go in there. Try this again. There we go. Didn't get it threaded the first time through. I'm trying to twist together. Okay, there we go. So, and once you get them in there and you tighten them down just a little bit, then you will basically feed these through, and then those will connect up to your hot and cold water under your faucet. Okay, so I'm not going to show that part of this, so thank you and have a great night.